So again, I'm Wes Thompson with Mavis Medical Solutions, and we're going to be presenting digital education and global screening programs. Training of radiologists for screening programs. Qualification for radiologists and screening programs usually requires them to prove a level of experience with a high number of relevant exams and an introduction to scientific and legal background. In the past, such qualification could only be reached through hands-on training. As you can see in the slide, this is an example of training on breast tomo, and that was the way radiologists got their 8 hours of training when it initially hit the market. So Mavis Online Academy is an example of an educational platform that can be used for radiologist education, learning management, DICOM viewing, content creation, and online access. We currently have this in lung, cardiac, mammo, prostate. We provide a full DICOM viewing tools, learning assessment, and authoring tools. This is an example of a tomo synthesis training for breast cancer screening, interactive online 3D mammography tomo trainer, the 8-hour FDA mandated training required, scientific background, 50 cases with ground truth, and greater than 500 or 5,000 radiologists trained. Again, DICOM viewing tools, the learning assessment, and the authoring tools. Well, this is going backward. Okay. Yeah. Here's an example of a lung cancer screening program from the United States. It's an ACR accreditation lung cancer screening centers. Personal qualifications, including a minimum of 200 CT chest cases prior 36 months, training on legal and scientific background, and 100 plus CT cases with ground truth. This was a CME course. I'm going to go through this quickly. You're seeing what here is a lung rads screening training course. All the components built into it by the author. And in a dark format for the radiologist in the group, probably tired of seeing white slides. Here's at the end, the questions, and then there's the structured reporting that comes out of the system as well. You can see where they're marking. Whoop, missed it. Oh, I got to go back. And here's an example of the German lung cancer screening exam. I would mention that we have this program in place in the entirety of the German Röntgenological Society. They do their CME training out of there. They actually do their board exams out of the platform as well. So I'll end it at that. I thank you for your time and happy to take any questions later in the day.